Hello, so we are testing this Osmo Action 3 outside. It's a bit raining now. Rock steady is on. Bulan. Rock steady is on. And we're just trying to chill to chill with this Osmo Action 3. It's really wide, you can see at my side, even though it's not too far, and still the rock steady is on. So ito, tinetest natin ngayon itong Osmo Action 3 outside while it's raining. Halata naman kasi pero kami naka payong di ba? Pero you know what I like about this is kitang-kita mo yung likod ko. Kakangat ko to. Pati si Mayan sa gilid, kitang-kita. Walang sa sobrang liit niya, but the wide field of view really helped. And kahit naka-rock steady on tayo, everything is smooth and walang problema. Kaantay lang tayo ngayon tricycle. Now, rock steady plus is on. Not bad. Wow, ano ko siya. So let's pause the video and I'll show you the different lens equivalent of the different field of views in your Osmo Action 3. Okay, so for the wide lens, it's equivalent to an 11mm lens, such as this one. I hope you can see it. This is the 11mm lens. It's quite long, it's quite big, bulky, as you might see it. This is for the standard D-warp, equivalent to a 15mm. So this is that one. For the narrow, you have 24mm. So probably around this size. This is the 22mm, and this is a 25mm lens. Now, for the ultra-wide, it's equivalent to a 10mm, but we don't have that. And it could be, if there is, it could be bigger than this one. All of those lenses are all inside the Osmo Action 3. How good is that? Let's go back to the editing. Whew! So this is indoor lights. This is how it looks on indoor. Alin? Baka pwede kong bilan nyo sa akin. Ako, flask yun, diba? Oo.
Dapat po Sige po.
Wala yung color mo.
Opo.
Kaya. $7.
Ako magkano sa uwan?
We're going home now. So this is the indoor test of this Osmo Action 3. The light is not too bright here, but still, as you can see, the Rocksteady is not struggling to stabilize the shot. Right now I'm moving with the elevator, and still everything is smooth. We'll just go a nearby shop. We'll just buy some coffee and have a dose of caffeine. Okay, so we're outside at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Now, we just drink some coffee here in Coffee Cure. Huwag na ipasok, hindi man siya mawawala rito. Thank you. Oy. Nakakarama ako sa'yo eh. Yeah. So this is the Osmo Action 3 training already. Oh my god. This is the video quality of the Osmo Action 3 on a rainy day. And that is a downpour. Woo. I'm all wet. Magandang hapon at maulan. Naglalakad lang kami para makapag-exercise. Lakas oh. Ah, going home. So we're still testing the Osmo Action 3. This is wide lens on a rainy day like this. And we walk from the mall going back to our home. So it's a bit tiring as well. So this is the quality of this cam after returning it and being replaced by DJI. Okay, so far I still like the interface of the DJI Osmo Action 3. It's quite intuitive. I have said it before. I really like it how it is. Yeah, except the focus problem. And as long as we got a good footage, why should we complain? Now my only the only problem here is if DJI really did nothing with all of the units that came out, because as I have done an unboxing this morning, I saw that it is still using the old stock. It is the September 2022 units. If that is the case, they just did a software fix instead of calibrating the lenses. Because as we have seen it, the box is not touched. So my best guess right now is that they only do a software fix for this issue.